Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice glacier gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, your classic tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a Pro Access tailgate. You got some measurements on the tailgate as well. A tough bed and spray liner. Got some outlets, lights that you can turn on from here as well. Hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, which is all pretty handy. And of course it is powered and it will go down automatically with your key fob or the button I just pressed. And if let's just say you're carrying a lot of stuff on your hands, all you have to do, knee it up and it will go up automatically. We do get a nice black platformed gripped running board, side view camera, spotlights, blind spot detection, and moving to the front here, we do get front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice perforated gray black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back, B&O sound system with a flat fold storage system. We do get a carpeted interior, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you do get split folding rear seats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front with power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, auto stop auto start lights, spotlights, parking brake and pedal adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 14.3 kilometers. We have this leather wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do have my view, trip and feel, your heads up display, which you can sort of kind of see on the vehicles ahead of me. Just limits your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. We have our gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select. With our speeds, it is collapsible, little storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and it does close. You do get that nice center console that does turn into an interior work surface. You can put your laptop here or put your meal there, whatever you really prefer. You do get your storage underneath as well. With drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with your engine start, heated and cooled front seats, there's that heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120. You got storage above, below, storage right here. You do get a powered rear window opener as well, with our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And we do get a handy garage door transmitter. You got your park assist right there, and you do get BLUECRUISE with this vehicle, which is Ford self-driving on the highway. We're going to click into here. What you saw there was actually your 360 view of your vehicle, and you can change the view of it as well. Going back, we do have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, hotspot, all that jazz. And any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And you do get your settings, you get personal profiles as well, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA61425, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.